Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could create articles, images, videos, voiceovers, and even code all in one place, today's review is for you. We're taking a look at Creatiyo, an all-in-one AI creation platform that packs every major AI tool into a single dashboard. And the best part? There's a lifetime deal available right now on Stack Social. It's built for creators, marketers, social media managers, writers, and even developers who want to save time and produce high-quality content fast. You get tools for writing long-form blogs, generating images, making video stories, creating voiceovers, analyzing images, and even doing SEO checks, all powered by AI. Here are the standout features you get. AI Article Wizard. Build long-form articles and blogs with guided outlines and auto-generated images. AI Image Creator. Generate and enhance images using DALLE and Stable Diffusion. AI Video Creator. Upload photos in Creatiyo will turn them into dynamic video stories for social media. AI Writer and Templates. 70+ templates for ads, blogs, descriptions, emails, and more. AI Chat and Assistance. Create your own custom chatbot, trained on expert knowledge. File Chat. Upload PDFs, Word docs, and CSVs to get summaries and insights. Web Chat. Paste a URL and let the AI analyze the page for you. AI Voiceovers and Voice Clone. Convert text to speech, clone your voice, mix voices, and edit audio. AI Vision. Get detailed analysis of the images you upload. AI Code Generator. Write clean code by describing what you need in plain English. AI Social Media Tool. Create and schedule posts for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. AI SEO Checker. Analyze your website's SEO health. Multilingual support. Create content in 54+ languages. Team Access. Add up to 10 team members. Web Access Search. Get real Google search results inside Creatiyo. With the Pro LTD plan on Stack Social, you get 2,500 words per month, 300 media credits, 140 minutes of speech-to-text, 205,000 text-to-speech characters, 10 team members, all tools included. All of this is available for a one-time payment of $79 instead of $199. And yes, credits renew every month for life. Exclusive Stack Social coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. One payment, lifetime access, no subscriptions. So if you're looking for a single platform that can help you write, design, edit, analyze, and publish across every content format, Creatiyo might be one of the best lifetime deals out there right now. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.